Now the bouillon is ready. It's cooked. The meat, you need to make sure the meat is loose, you know, like once you I touch it, it's loose, like it can come out of, it can come off the bone easily. Okay, so we have on this side here, we have the, you know, the carrots, the plantain, and the dumpling. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And this is some lobster and squash. This is so good. So you gotta try this recipe. I'm gonna put it online. And we have the some garlic there and some celery. Sorry. Alright, so bon appetit. And this is from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching.